Hey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to show you some tricks on how to make a beautiful cranberry sauce. Listen, nobody makes this cranberry sauce. It's wonderful, unique, different, very easy to make. It's just a few simple tricks I'm going to use. Wonderful. Hey, also, don't forget, check out my Shopify store. Wonderful. We got t-shirts, sweatshirts, coffee mugs, all kinds of stuff. Hey, what a nice baseball cap? We got that too. Check out the link in the comments section. Wonderful. And don't forget, please subscribe. Ring that bell. You'll get all my recipes, like automatically. It's a wonderful thing. Let's get cooking. Hey, the best thing about cranberry sauce, it's very freezerable. In other words, it freezes well. Okay, so that's wonderful. So I get my cranberries at Costco. Hey, big size, wonderful. Because cranberries will freeze well on their own, just in the bag. Or you can make cranberry sauce. Cranberry sauce freezes well. And here's why that's important. Cranberries are only available for a couple of months a year. You know, November, December, around that time. That's it. So you can make it, you can freeze it, you can just freeze the bags. Wonderful. It's a wonderful ingredient, very healthy. So get some cranberry recipes and you can freeze them, you can freeze cranberries, whatever. Wonderful. Okay, so let's get started. It begins and ends here in the pot. And what I mean by that is this. We're going to put in that pot 4 cups of cranberries. 3/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. Hey, notice the vinegar I'm using, right? It's a very good vinegar, Braggs. Very good stuff. You want to use good stuff because you don't want it to taste too tart. You don't want it to have that vinegary taste. This will give you a nice flavor. Tart, yes, but a nice flavor. So use a good apple cider vinegar. 3/4 of a cup. 1/3 of a cup of orange juice. Notice I didn't show the container of orange juice. I use frozen concentrate. That's what I use for cooking. That's okay. I just need that orange flavor. That's what I need. Now we have here 1½ cups sugar. Hey, I actually need 3 cups of sugar. I use 1½ cups of white sugar. You know what else I'm going to use? I'm going to use some coconut sugar. And that's good because that's an unrefined brown sugar. It's a little healthier. So I cut the sugar in half and then I add half of the brown sugar, the coconut sugar. That's good stuff. Really good. There you go, coconut palm sugar. That's what it looks like. See, it's like a brown sugar. So here's the spices I gotta use. Cloves, allspice, and cinnamon. And there you go. That's that beautiful brown sugar, spices, cranberries. Let's just cook this about 40-45 minutes. Very low heat. You can cover it too. Here we go. Cover it up. 45 minutes. Nice low heat. I'll see you in 45 minutes. Okay, I'll see you in 45 minutes. I may go take a short nap. That's wonderful. Alright, so it's been about 40 minutes. Woo! It's nice and hot. It's got a real, like, a sweet vinegar kind of smell to it. That's because it's hot. When it cools down, it's going to really mellow out and kind of, everything will kind of come together. Check out that color too. It's reddish, okay? But it's kind of a maroon kind of red. It's not that deep kind of bright red. So, and the texture is a little bit liquidy. That's okay. It's got to cool down. When it cools down, it's going to turn into that gelatinous kind of a sauce. Wonderful. Let's let this cool in the refrigerator until it's nice and cold, and then we're going to check it out. This really needs to cool like overnight. Throw it in your refrigerator. Let it cool overnight. Check it out the next day. Wonderful. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'll see you tomorrow. Got a big night planned tonight. Gonna go out of town. All right. Hey, it's the next day. Look what I got. Woo! Look at that. I just took that out of the refrigerator. Now you remember how loose it was, right? It was like a sauce, not like a cranberry sauce, like a loose sauce. Check this out. That's nice. See that? Beautiful. So, I just took the cranberry sauce out of the refrigerator. Remember how loose it was when I put it in the refrigerator? Hey, check it out now. Very nice. That's cranberry sauce. You know what? It's fantastic. It's not just sweet. It's got nice character, nice flavor. Woo! Hey, you know what this would really be good with? I have a black bean brownie video, okay? You can put a spoonful of this on top of the brownie and serve it that way. Maybe a little whipped cream on top of that. Wow. That's fantastic. You gotta check out that black bean brownie video. Wonderful. And I'll see you there. All right.